Hi, it's Chris with Florida Drone Supply, back again with another Before You Fly video. And today we are featuring the amazing Autel Evo Max 4T. To get started, you're going to want to prepare your aircraft for first-time use. So the first step, we're going to gently remove the gimbal protector, which protects the camera during transport and shipping. To do this, turn the aircraft over and slightly press down on the gimbal protector to release the clips from the notches on the bottom of the aircraft body. The next step would be to charge the included battery using the charger that comes with the 4T. Simply plug the charger into a wall outlet, pull back the cover on the charger, and slide it into place on the battery. The initial charging should take less than an hour to get it to 100%. At the same time you're charging the drone battery, you will want to charge the remote controller. The 4T comes with a USB-C wall charger, which you will want to use for this. Simply take the included USB-C cable and plug it into the adapter, then plug the other side into the top of the remote controller. You will see the charging indicator lights on the left-hand side of the remote start to blink, which indicates that the remote is successfully charging. The remote can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours to charge depending on its current charge level. Once your drone battery and the remote controller are fully charged, you are ready to move to the next step, which is installing the battery into the drone and going through the activation process. To install the battery into the drone, simply slide the battery into the back of the drone and you will hear the battery lock into place. You will want to pull back on the battery once it's installed to make sure that it is fully seated. First, power on the drone by pressing the power button on the battery and you will hear audible tones along with the lights illuminating on the landing legs. Now, you will want to power up the remote by pressing the power button, which is on the top right of the remote controller. The remote will go through its boot up process and you will be brought to the main screen where you can go through the user agreement, and from there you will see a pop-up message asking if you want to purchase the Autel damage protection. This is an option for you to purchase and you don't have to do it. Simply choose no and you can go on to the next part of the screen. When the Autel 4T ships, it's most likely going to need a series of firmware updates. These updates have to be performed in order and can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours if it's 4 to 5 versions behind. Make sure you have a solid internet connection and you can get connected to the internet by swiping down from the top right of the screen, choosing the Wi-Fi option, and connecting to your network. It is extremely important to make sure the batteries are fully charged on the remote and the drone while you do the firmware updates. As I said, it can take quite a while, so make sure you have the battery to get through them all. If you want us to do the firmware updates before it ships, just let us know by leaving a comment in the checkout page and we will be happy to do that for you. After your firmware updates are complete, you are ready to get in the air. Take your drone outside and get flying. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see all of our how-to videos, trainings, and features on this drone and many others. If you need more help with your Autel Evo Max 4T or 4N, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. If you need to purchase a 4T or 4N, we got you covered. Click on the link in the description below. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.